how to fix highlights not working on your Instagram. So one of the common things you could check first is to just check your internet connection. So sometimes highlights don't load or save due to poor connection. So you could try restarting your Wi-Fi or try using a different one, and you can restart everything else if that's done. You can also restart the app, or you can clear your app cache, which only works in your app Android. You do have the option to do this in your iOS, so you're gonna have to check on that. But if you want to do it in your Android, go ahead to your settings, and you're gonna have to navigate yourself to your apps. So in our case, we're just gonna go ahead and search for our apps, and inside our apps, we're gonna look for our Instagram. So again, we're just gonna go ahead and search for that as well. And inside the app, just go ahead to the clear data button in the bottom right corner and press on clear cache. Don't press on the clear all data since it will get rid of the media you already have and save into your app. And another option is to check your archive settings. It should be directly found in your account or in your settings. Go ahead to the bottom right corner, which is your profile, and then in the top right corner, which is a triple bar button. You'll be able to see how you use your Instagram option, and then just press on the archive section, which should just be your stories archive. Press on the top right corner, which is a triple dot button, and then press on settings, and make sure your save story to archive is toggled on. So other things you could check out for is for content issues. Make sure there's no copyrighted music or deleted or expired stories, or maybe even violations of Instagram guidelines. You can log out and back in if you want to, but those are a few options you could try if your Instagram highlights are not working. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.